All right, so got my pool here. It's starting to get a little bit warm. The water temperature is, we're averaging about 95 to 100 degrees out in the North Dallas area. And saw online where I could buy a pool sprayer to help cool the pool down. And saw some instructions and stuff online where people had made them, but wanted to show real quick what I had done to find the parts at Lowe's to go ahead and make my own. And so starting this out, what I had done is I went and I've got the Intex pool, and we've got the Intex pool skimmer, which I think you can maybe see right over there. Pulled this little adapter off that goes with it and went to see if that would actually fit onto the output of the pool set, and sure enough it did. So I opted at that point in time to head off to Lowe's, since I had a sample of a device that I could, or a sample of the right size pool fitting that would fit on. And what I ended up finding at Lowe's, which fit perfectly, was one of these things. And what this actually is a shower drain kit that is threaded on one end. Let me see here. So you can kind of see this. It's threaded, and it's made to set down in the bottom of your shower installation. And then this actually comes up from the floor, and then this comes in from the top of the shower. So this piece is actually junk. It's nothing that I'm going to use for this setup, but this base, this unit here, on the kit that I bought from Lowe's, it actually had a flange around it that you can see. We actually used a Dremel tool, and sorry, try to get this on here. Just used a Dremel tool and took that off just about as cleanly as we could. Once I took that off, I was able to, with some fittings, I've got a 90-degree elbow here. And then from that elbow, I kind of created this monstrosity, which is just a few different PVC fittings. And this is all with 1-inch PVC that I built. And I drilled a bunch of holes in there. They're not as straight as they should be, but in all reality, they work out pretty well. They're 7/16" holes. I think I ended up with, I don't know, probably 25 or so per side. And I haven't glued any of this together. It's all just stuck together with just the pressure of the fittings. And so let me hook this thing back up real quick and turn the pool on. So this just actually threads on. Let me show you how this will go. So this threads on, and once that's locked on there good, I can turn this around, and then all I'm going to do is insert this, turn it so that the holes are aiming the right direction. And the thing I like about it, I've got it relatively adjustable here, so you can adjust the direction of the spray to keep your circular flow of your pool water going. So let me go ahead and turn this on now, and you can kind of see what happens. So this is what we ended up with. And then again, if you want to, aim it down or whatever, you can adjust the height of these. It's not the prettiest thing, but I think all told I was out like 15 bucks at Lowe's. And just worked out really, really well. It's cutting the water temp overnight. I let this thing run, and it'll keep us right between 80 and 85 degrees. And again, that's with us running in the high 90s, and then maybe down into the mid 70s overnight. Humidity's in the 50 to, say 30 to 50% range. And it does seem to be working out pretty well. So anyway, hope that helps.